Oanyo. If I'm not mistaken, she's actually a two-time UAAP MVP.
Of course, awarded as one of the best blockers as well.
Yes, and a long-time member of the Philippine national team who last saw action in the 2005 bronze medal team of the Philippines in the Southeast Asian Games. And immediately we talk about Maureen Penetrante Oanyo, and she makes her presence felt. She still has that swagger. She's still, you know, very intimidating there up front. So I'm looking for Mick Mick. If Mick Mick and M. Penetrante are in front, that's very hard to get the ball through.
Just imagine hitting, you know, the offense straight into a wall.
That's true.
Kaharap mo si Mick Mick and si Maureen Penetrante.
It's Gumabaw now serving. Lisdian Gata Pantone on the reception. Here's Rosemary Vargas, but she goes long.
That was too much power for Vargas. And here on the side of PLDT, what they're trying to get used to is the setting of Makatuno, because we all know they come from different teams,
That's
right?
right.
And it takes quite some time for you to get used to the set
Yeah, we
of a
haven't
different setter.
we didn't even see the return of Luan Latiga yet. There are actually no San Sebastian players on the floor now for PLDT MyDSL. Patrona off the block of Paul Soriano, and Iris Patrona can still get it done. (17-15). We're going to have a timeout here called by Francis Vicente. His mighty 5-point lead is down to 2. And stay with us. We will be right back.